And we're back with our last box of the 3-box break. It is still Friday, March 25th at 2:28 p.m. Time for the prime. It is factory sealed on all ends. And let's get to it. I have a whole case break of these up right now. If you take a look on eBay, under my screen name, DannyD23, have a 6-box case of these. We've got a checklist. We've got that's 5 packs, 8 packs, and 10 packs with an empty box. Here we go. We'll just get these set up. We'll put one at a time. Go. First pack. Oh wow, these are going to be a pain in the butt to open, huh? Alright, first pack, finally. Alright, D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers, Antonio Gates for the Chargers. We got a fourth quarter, CJ Spiller, Jonathan Dwyer, Demaryius Thomas, Jimmy Graham insert. This is going to be going to the Bills on the top left. It is not numbered. We got an Armonte Edwards for the Panthers, rookie card, numbered 277 of 699. James Arnaitis, and for the Rams, and Dwight Freeney for the Colts. Next pack, if I can get these open. I have to get a knife for that. There we go. Now we're getting it. Now we're getting it. All right, pack number 2. Miles Austin for the Cowboys. Sean Green for the Jets. We got a Ryan Matthews insert for the Chargers. It is not numbered. We have a Montario Hardesty rookie card. It's a parallel, numbered 138 of 199. That is for the Browns. Pierre Garçon for the Colts. And Jared Allen for the Vikings. Next pack. These are not fun to open. All right. Ryan Grant for the Packers, Matt Forte for the Bears, Jonathan Dwyer, rookie card, numbered 295 of 999 for the Steelers. We got a second quarter, CJ Spiller, Ryan Matthews. This is going to the Bills. I don't know if you could read that. It's numbered 18 of 25. Nice. Brian Dawkins for the Broncos, and Robert Meacham for the Saints. 7 packs left. Still haven't gotten a hit yet, so we have a lot to look forward to in this box. Okay, next pack. Mike Wallace for the Steelers, Percy Harvin for the Vikings, Brandon LaFell, numbered 504 out of 999 for the Panthers. Got another CJ Spiller, Ryan Matthews card, same as before, though this one is not numbered to 225. This one's just not numbered, and that is for the Bills again. We got a Felix Jones, looks like parallel card, numbered 30 of 199 for the Cowboys. Cowboys had a nice break. all around, and Mario Williams for the Texans. 6 packs left. Still haven't gotten a hit yet. I think there's 4 hits in the box. Yep, 4 hits in every master box. So we got 6 packs with 4 hits left to go. Alright.